Hello, I just wanted to do a quick review of the FS CVT01 and what I thought of it. This is for the FlySky receivers. This type right there, I don't know if you can see it. Hold on a second. That is for the FSI iA6B, and you hook up the sensor to this little slot right there, and on the other side, this end right here, it'll go to your battery, just like so, and this will give you the voltage from the battery. So you hook it up to the positive and to the very last negative. Some people complain that these things are not accurate. I'm not sure about that. I know they work, they give you a voltage reading. But my issue with this is that after a while, I think the receiver gets warm or something, and it just stops responding as well to my control. So, you know, for as good as this does, that's even worse. So I'd rather not fly with this than have my plane go out of control. So anyway, that's basically all I had to say about this. Enjoy your day.